Hey guys, Darren here from Off Grid Outfitters. We just thought we'd show you today some of the key features of the new Rhinomax Lost Trak 16 that's behind me here, now in our Sydney showroom. Basically, the construction is a full fiberglass composite construction. We've got a honeycomb floor, a full hot dipped galvanised chassis. The 16 is a single axle, so it's got a 3-ton ATM, which has the Cruisemaster ATX Airbag Suspension as standard. Just moving to the front, you'll notice a big toolbox area, huge size there, you'll notice in there. We do have an option for a barbecue slide for a Weber, or you can put in a slide for a generator or something like that as well, or just leave the space open. On top of the box, we've got an option for a wood box, plenty of storage in there. And on the front, we've got a couple of areas here for your jerry cans, diesel or water or petrol, and also a dual gas bottle holder there. That'll hold a 4 kilo or 4.5 kilo bottle, and a DO35 hitch on the front. So here we have the outside kitchen area on the Lost Trak 16. We've got the large fridge slide. It houses an 85 litre fridge freezer. And we've also got good storage behind here with a slide at the top. This is supported by a really solid fridge slide with really solid bearings in there, so you'll get a look at that later. The outside kitchen is a fold-away kitchen with a bench space here, all stainless steel bench tops. We've got the standard 3-burner gas cooktop. We can also option in a twin induction burner on there as well. And we've got a sink, hot and cold water to that, with storage under there, and also another drawer. Plenty of room for all cutlery, utensils, along with 2 big drawers above the kitchen area. Just some of the external parts of the camper. We've got the Thule Omnister awning here. That's a manual awning. We can also upgrade to an electric if you like. Just one thing to note on these is the very solid door construction here. These are a fully dust-proof door, and you'll notice that they pull in, so no need for the dust suppression system on these vans. On the back end of the van, we've got this little hatch area here, which has a shelf there for a bit of storage, or else we can option in a washing machine, 2.5 kilo washing machine in there. Plenty of storage on the driver's side of the Lost Trak 16. We've got the second tunnel boot, which has access here to your services, which is your hot water system, filtration. This is where we operate our creek flow section there. So you'll see our front tunnel boot here has more good space on the other. This is the other side of the fridge, and we can get access to that as well. So moving into the interior of the Lost Trak 16, we've got a nice little kitchenette area here. These have got the acrylic rhino stone bench tops. We've got a kitchen a little sink in there, twin induction cooktop. They're also fitted with the soft close drawer systems. There is an option just on the inside here if you'd like an 80 litre fridge. Inside we have the Rhinomax Command Centre. This runs the whole van, including the Victron management system. Here we have the internal combined ensuite in the Lost Trak 16, which features the Nature's Head composting toilet, a couple of cupboards at the rear, and also your shower recess. Moving into the lounge area of the Lost Trak 16, we've got a good size lounge area for 2 people to fit quite comfortably. We've got a table, one of the Lagan style. We can also have an option for a wardrobe, which will sit just in this space here. The main bedroom area of the Lost Trak 16 is a queen size bed, storage pockets either side of the bed with reading lights, windows either side, and we've got storage underneath, in which the bottom drawer can also be optioned as a 30 litre drawer fridge. The heating system on the Lost Trak 16 is your Webasto reverse cycle aircon. We also have a Sirocco fan with the option for a second. And then under the lounge here we have the Webasto hydronic diesel hot water and heating system. So that was just a quick overview of the Rhinomax Lost Trak 16 that's here in our Sydney showroom. Come out and see us. We have a huge open day on the 6th of December from 9 till 3.